Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Now we are going to see how to set up these settings dashboards, and I'm not going to go with every single section that you see: authorized representative, business informations. This is easy. You can do just like other apps you set up, and I'm going to walk you through with API keys parts, and on the next videos we will work on SMTP settings. So this video might gonna be a little bit longer, but so you will able to do the API key setups after watching these videos. So in the previous video we said if you click on the helps you will know how to set up these things and API keys. Then let's say click on into new tabs, so we can go over there and you can see all the basic information that we talked about on our previous videos. And if you come over here you can see API keys. This API keys you need to set up on your Google Cloud consoles, and once you set up these things, all the setting dashboards, you're done. You will never ever need to come over here and set up again. So maximum information you give, our AI will understand you very well. It can give you more 100% accuracy and no misleading, no mistakes, because we also optimize this. Okay, so you can see all those stuff. So now let's go with the Google Cloud consoles. You can go to the Google, then search like a Google Cloud console like this, or you can, if you have on your tabs bookmarks, you can go through that, no problem. So I'm gonna go in my Google Cloud consoles to generate the API keys, and make sure your payment setup is done or your API key is not gonna work. And after generating the API keys, we're gonna paste over here. Okay, so after login, on the Google Cloud console, you will see something like this. So that's not our work. Our work is to go on the billings, and on the billings you will see it's empty. So add a billing account. After that you will see your billing account is connected, and then your API key service is gonna work. So enable the API keys. You can come over here, go to the libraries, then find those what do you call different API keys. So when I search I will find those, and I'm not gonna add those. Ignore these others. You will see exactly name as it is. You can click over there and you can click enable. Some will show install. You can click on this install, and after doing that, let's try this one, enable. It will be enable, but might gonna ask you to add your billings, otherwise this API key is not gonna work. And you can go with the next one like this, Google Place new. You go back again and let it add itself. Okay, so new view projects. Okay, so my first project is done. So I forgot to make my projects, so it's automatically create a project so I can add my API keys. So here you also, first of all, when you're done with the billings, you need to create a project. That's very important, and I missed that part, sorry for that. And you need to go to the new projects and click, and you can ignore those and go with these projects. In your system you might not gonna see these things, but if you have a workspace you are gonna see this kind of informations. And then you create it, and after creating you can go to the libraries. This is your projects. Okay, you can see your project is done. You go over there And after adding the billings on the projects, you can see the projects need to be adding the accounts. This project has no billing account, manage the bill or link the bill accounts. You can do that, and after doing that you need to go to the enable service. You can see many of them, we don't need those, so we go to the libraries and then we go geocoding API keys. We look for geocoding API keys, then we're done. And we go over there, enable it, and then we go with the Google Play API keys on the libraries. Let it do on its own. We will not wait to see that it's installed. So you can see Google Play API key. Don't install others, not necessary, it's not gonna work. And then it's done. Okay, so it's installing itself. Sorry for buffering. I think I need to wait more long. Okay, so it's asking for two-step verifications. I can do this later, and you can do that. And if after you doing that, you can do all other setups. Okay, and if you need more information, you can go with our official websites, our blog.automationpartners.ai. It's a blog.automationpartners.ai, which is our blog sites. Or you can go to our homepage and click on help centers. You come over here, then you can see Legendz AI Max Pro, and over there you can see all related tutorials about blogs about Legendz AI. So in here you can see Legendz 2.0 and you're using 3.0. All these things work in 3.0, and we have more advanced feature like latest AI LLM like Gemini 3.0 with optimizing with our Legendz AI apps, and you can get a better accuracy. So this is it. Have a great day and stay safe.